It looks like it is 10:30 a.m. This is August 3rd, 2026. This is the date and time scheduled for a special meeting of the Nevada Commission on Ethics. Let's start by taking the roll. Chair Scherer is here. Commissioner Langton,
Here.
Commissioner Miller, Commissioner Moran, Commissioner Pancoast,
Yes.
Commissioner Reynolds,
Here.
Commissioner St. Jules,
Here.
Commissioner Smith.
Here.
Okay, looks like we have a quorum. The staff list, Executive Director Armstrong.
Here.
Commission Counsel Bassett.
Here.
Acting Associate Counsel Hazlitt. I see him on the screen, but he's muted. So we know he's here. Outreach and Education Officer Harvey. I think she's excused, so they're excused. Senior Legal Researcher Panyi.
Here.
Investigator Terry. I think he's excused from this one as well. And Executive Assistant Saldana. Yeah.
I'm here.
Great, thank you. Looks like, would you please join me for the Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the
flag of the
United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. Executive Director Armstrong, did we receive any public comment by email to be read into the record today?
We've not received any public record by email to be read into the record today.
Are there any members of the public who are attending virtually who want to provide public comment? Seeing none, let's proceed with item number 3, approval of the June 17th, 2026 Commission meeting minutes. Commissioner St. Jules had not yet been appointed to the Commission, and Commissioners Langton and Moran were absent. So that leaves the rest of us to vote. Is that sufficient for a quorum, Commissioner Counsel Bassett? You're muted, I'm sorry.
Of course, my apologies. That only leaves 4 people here for that item. But that is a quorum of who is here. That is enough of who is here. So I think you can go ahead and vote.
Legally, we can proceed. Okay. Is there a motion to approve the minutes or any questions or comments on the minutes?
I'll move to approve the minutes, subject to any comments on any changes. But I move to approve the minutes of June 17th, 2026 as presented. If there are revisions, I will move to approve the minutes with those amendments, should we have any.
And do we have a second to that motion?
I'll second it.
Okay. And are there any other questions or comments on the minutes? If not, all in favor, please say aye. Aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? It passes 4-0. Item number 4 is our discussion and possible action to direct Commission Counsel to take legal steps to file a notice of intent to participate in the 8th Judicial District Court, case number A26-951043P, Anthony versus Nevada Commission on Ethics and Armstrong, and to defend the Commission and the Executive Director regarding the Commission's decision in ethics complaint number 25. Is that 25 or 26? 024C. That should be 26. Okay, concerning
it is 25.
25 024C concerning Stavros Anthony, Lieutenant Governor, State of Nevada. Are there any disclosures or abstentions on this item? Seeing none, Commissioner Council Bassett, please provide an explanation of the purpose of this item.
Thank you so much, Chair Scheer. Lieutenant Governor Anthony's attorneys have filed a petition for judicial review in the 8th Judicial District Court, challenging the Commission's opinion in his ethics complaint case number 25-024C. What I am seeking today is authorization from the Commission to participate in that litigation in defending the Commission's decision in that matter, and authorizing me to file an notice of intent to participate, which is due on August 5th. I'm also asking the Commission to vote to allow routine litigation decisions to be approved by the chair and the vice chair. And that is things like, reviewing briefs, potentially asking for or giving extensions. So asking for that authority to be delegated to the chair and the vice chair in consultation with myself, pursuant to NRS 241.0357 and NAC 281A.055. However, that delegation of authority would not include things like agreements to dismiss or to settle. All those decisions would come back to the Commission in full. But I'm asking for the authorization to engage in this litigation and to move forward defending the decision.
May I ask? So there would be two separate motions, not one?
It could be one motion, but it would include the ask for that delegation of authority, so we don't have to come back to the full Commission in an open meeting for just sort of routine litigation issues. Any case dispositive decisions would come back to the full Commission in an open meeting.
No, I understand that,
Okay.
but today wouldn't
Today
there?
it would be one. It's one motion asking for both of those things.
Well, to kind of pick a nit here, seems to me like there should be two motions, because one is specific to this Anthony case, and the second part of your argument, I don't disagree with that argument. I'm just saying it seems to me that that would allow all commissioners to participate. Well, that's my opinion. I think it should be two separate motions.
That's fine. We can
And-
certainly do two motions.
And the maker of the motion can decide what motion they want to make, or whether they want to make it one or two. So any other questions or comments before we move to a motion? Okay, do we have a motion to approve the intent to participate?
I would make that motion to allow counsel for the commission to file the notice of intent to participate in the petition for judicial review. This is Commissioner Langton.
And specifically with regard to the Anthony versus NCOA and Armstrong case.
Correct.
I'll
there-
second that motion.
Okay, moved by Commissioner Langton, seconded by Commissioner Reynolds. Is there any discussion on the motion?
I would just ask for a point of clarification just to ensure that Ms. Bassett has full authority. If we could expand it to say that she is able to file the notice of intent as well as any defensive papers that need to be filed, such as the answering brief.
Is that an acceptable amendment to your motion, Commissioner Langton?
Yes, it is.
And Commissioner Reynolds, do you accept that?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Any other questions or comments? Seeing none, all in favor, please say aye.
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 And those opposed, please say nay.
Nay, Commissioner Smith.
Mr. Smith has dissented from that motion, but otherwise, I think there are 7 of us on, so there's 6 of us on, so 5-1. Do we have another motion, or you'd like to make, Commissioner Langton?
Yes, I would move to, I don't know exactly how to phrase it. Perhaps Attorney Bissett could assist.
Yes, I would ask for a motion moving to delegate the authority to the chair and the vice chair to consult with myself regarding legal issues or decisions, except for agreements to dismiss or for settlement.
Okay, that would be my motion. Yes, I so move.
Okay. Do we have a second to that motion?
Commissioner Reynolds, I'll second that motion.
Any discussion or questions? At this point in time, we don't have a vice chair, although we are scheduled to elect one at our next meeting. Chair and could elect a new chair potentially at the next meeting. So I assume that motion will cover whoever happens to be the chair and the vice chair at the time.
Yes.
Yes, it does.
Okay. I just wanted that clarification on the record. With that, and seeing no further discussion, all in favor, please say aye.
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 Any opposed? That motion passes unanimously. That brings us to item 8, public comment. Executive Director Armstrong, have we received any public comment by email while we've been in this meeting?
We have not received any public comment during this meeting.
Okay. Is there anyone online that would like to make public comment?
Elvira Saldana, for the record, at this time, no one has indicated they would like to provide public comment.
Okay. Commission Counsel Bassett, do we have any other business for this meeting?
That's it. That's all
Okay.
our business.
Appreciate that. Do we have a motion to adjourn?
I'll move to adjourn. Pancos?
Second.
Pancoast moves to adjourn. Commissioner Langton seconds. All in favor, please say aye.
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 Aye. And that passes unanimously.